If you've ever forgotten the name of an app you previously installed, don't worry. Google Play Store automatically saves your app download history under your Google account, allowing you to easily view and reinstall apps you've used before. Whether you've changed phones, reset your device, or simply removed an app, you can find it again in just a few taps. Opening the Google Play Store app on your Android smartphone or tablet, ensure that you're signed in with the Google account you normally use for downloading apps. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture or Google account icon. This opens a menu containing account-related settings and options. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Here, Google provides tools to update, remove, and review apps associated with your account. Tap the Manage tab located beside Overview. This section displays all apps connected to your Google account. By default, you'll see apps currently installed on your phone. Tap the Installed filter near the top of the page, then let's choose Not Installed from the pop-up menu. Instantly, you'll see a complete list of apps that were previously downloaded using your Google account but are no longer installed on your current device. Browse through the list to find any app you want to use again. Once you find the app you're looking for, simply tap it and press Install. The Play Store will download and install it just like before. That's how easy it is to view your Google Play Store download history in 2026. This feature is perfect for recovering old apps, setting up a new phone, or finding apps you've forgotten over time. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly access your entire app history and reinstall your favorite applications whenever you need them.